Hey friends, Sam Cholbowski here from Motion.io. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your client portals into 24/7 self-service hubs, where clients can submit support tickets and request additional work, and you can let Motion.io do the heavy lifting of assigning that work to the correct person and giving your client instant visibility into the status of their request in their portal. Let me show you how it works. Before I go in to show you the setup process for client requests in Motion.io, I'm going to quickly show you the client's view of what it looks like to them and how they can use this functionality. I will go into my digital advertising project here that I've added this client to, and you'll see that in addition to the two default tabs, Welcome and Tasks, I have a Helpdesk tab as well as a Work Requests tab. In these tabs of the client's portal, there are embedded forms, which when they submit, will automatically create a task in their associated projects in Motion.io, making it so you and your team don't have to copy and paste details from an external tool like Slack, email, or even some third-party project management system. And as an added bonus, when a client submits one of these forms, they'll be able to go to the tasks page of their portal to see that work you are doing for them. Let me show you how to set it up. In general, I recommend setting up your client request tabs in project templates. Here in my marketing services template, you can see that I have set up all of my tasks and stages already, but at the bottom, I have two blank stages, which I've also hidden from the project progress tracker. And the reason why I've set things up this way is because after the primary part of the project wraps up, what I will do is configure the forms that I will add to the client portal tabs to automatically create tasks in each of these corresponding stages. To set up the forms that when submitted will populate these stages with tasks, I'm going to scroll all the way back up the page and click the portal option up top here. This template is only using the default welcome and tasks tabs, so I'm going to click this new button here and give this a title. Let's start with the Helpdesk form. So I'm just going to call this Helpdesk. If I wanted to, I could add additional details to the content section here, or even embed an outside website or app. But in general, when using Motion.io's client requests functionality, I like to just keep it really simple for the client so they can't get distracted by anything else. To choose which form that I want to embed into this tab, I'm going to expand the form embed section and then quickly search to select the support form that I created earlier. One note about this is that you will have to create the forms that you will be choosing in your template ahead of time. If you haven't created any forms just yet, doing so is as easy as clicking Forms here in your account sidebar. And we even have an AI form builder that allows you to describe a form in a couple of seconds, and Motion.io will generate it for you. So now that I've selected my form, my next step will be to set a stage where the new task will be created. As I mentioned earlier, when I was showing you around my template, I set up a blank stage for support tickets, and I'm going to select that stage here. Then finally, I'm going to click Enable Form and then choose an icon to represent this tab. After clicking Save, we are all good to go. To quickly show you another way you can use this functionality, I'm going to create one additional tab inside of this template. So once again, click the new button, and this time I'm going to create a tab called Work Requests. Just as before, I will head back down to the form embed option, and I've created a form for work requests already. So I'm going to search for it. There it is. I have my work request form, and this time I will select my work requests stage as the stage where new tasks will be created. Then I'll just click Enable Form once again, choose an icon here, and click Save. And perfect, we are all good to go. And just as I showed you at the start of this video, whenever I invite a client to a project I created from my template, they'll get access to this Helpdesk tab as well as the Work Requests tab, making it quick and convenient for clients to submit these types of requests for my team and automatically assigning it to the correct person to complete. So that does it for this video, everyone. Hopefully provided all of the information you need to get the most out of Motion.io's client requests. That said, if you have questions about the setup process or ways that you can use this functionality, don't hesitate to get in touch by sending our team an email at hello@motion.io. Until next time, everybody, take care.